To change your logo, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password, and gain access to your account overview. The overview page displays various options, including website, items, orders, fulfillment, reports, marketing, communications, and settings. To access your logo, open your website by clicking on the Edit Site option, which may be located in the Overview section or on the website page itself. Once you are in the website editor, you will see several options, including design, layout, pages, settings, and more. Click on the Design option, which will take you to a page with various customization choices, such as site styles, logo, colors, fonts, and more. Select the logo option and click on Add Image to choose a new logo or click Change to update an existing one. After making your changes, you can explore other customization options, such as headers, main banners, and branding elements. When you are finished, you can review your updated website and logo.